Step 1. Taking body measurement. Taking your measurements is a must for every sewer, especially when sewing without a pattern. Your measurements will serve as your guide. Make sure to measure the distance between your shoulders well.
Step 2. Sketch the garment. Since you don't have a pattern to abide by, sketch the clothing you want to create first. Sketching it will give you time to familiarize yourself with the garment. You can make a mental checklist as you go. Step 3. Imagine the garment flat. Similar to sketching the garment, imagining it laid flat on a table will help you visualize more how it would look like. Imagining it flat will guide you on which sides should be sewn together and which should be cut in a certain way. Step 4. Use old garment as guide. If sketching is not your strength, you can use an old garment as a guide. There are 2 options for this trick. Use wax paper to trace your old clothes, or fold the old garment in half before tracing it on the fabric folded in half too. This trick is a good option if you don't have a similar garment for the style of clothes you want to sew. You may pin the paper to yourself to get the approximate size of the garment, but do this with caution, as you might prick yourself. This is better than cutting your fabric right away. Step 6. Use a muslin mock-up pattern. Step 7. Invest in a tailor's dummy. Investing in a tailor's dummy might just be one of my greatest decisions. I have an adjustable one at home and it helps me see how the project looks like as I progress. This is especially handy when I sew dresses for my child. She just can't sit still. General reminders. Be careful of cutting. A few centimeters can make a lot of difference in a garment. Iron the fabric before sewing. Get rid of all those creases. Keep trying on your garment as you go. Enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helpful for beginners. Like it, share, subscribe my channel #sewing with KMJ.